Show the rest of the guys up. Who's looking at bikes? Probably wondering how is it running?
Steps on the line. So the bike was evolved. It wasn't a huge big change every year or 2 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. When was that? I think that.
Good coat of lacquer parts on it. And I know the no traction. There's the selectors over here on the outside.
Are you going?
I'll be in touch with you.
Yeah.
Well, it's very I'm going to take it off.
Center stand on the side stand.
Yeah. We were away in Spain.
I should have caught that to side taking.
We used to do timekeeping, you know. I always thought the BSA the way the
figuring out 2.5 knots per mile where I should be like after 12 miles. Stop.